Installation. How to install the 1055. Remove the plug and aluminum washer from the blowout air line. The blowout air line is located on the left side of the sink. Fit a quick coupling with a male 1/4-inch thread to the elbow coupling. The threads shall be sealed with Teflon tape or similar. The 1055 must be connected to compressed air. The air inlet is located at the back of the unit. Fit a 1/4-inch male quick coupling to the air inlet. The threads should be sealed with Teflon tape or similar. Connect the air line and open the main valve slowly. The main valve must be opened slowly to prevent possible damage to the water trap. Fit the 5-inch flexible ducting to the gun cleaner's extractor. See the installation instructions for more information on how to install the ducting correctly. Connect the main ground cable to earth. Typical earth is water pipes or similar piping. If uncertain of how to ground the unit properly, please contact an electrician. Open the lid and remove the drum plug and the operator's booklet. Make sure the booklet is kept near the unit at all times for safe and easy use. Remove the parts from the parts bag. It contains 2 clusters of tapered purge plugs, extension pipes, and a trigger clip. Leave the extension pipes and the trigger clip inside the sink for now. To fit all guns and quick couplings, the 1055 comes with an array of tapered purge plugs. Pick the ones suitable for the customer's needs and remove them from the plastic cluster of plugs. Fit the tapered purge plugs to the interior's purge lines. There are 2 purge lines to fit any kind of spray gun. To top up with solvent, 2 similar drums are needed, a full one and an empty one. Put the empty drum into its outer containment. Then fit the flame arrestor. Place the drum on the left side of the gun cleaner. Fit the drum plug with its hoses to the flame arrestor. Tighten the flame arrestor screw to hold the drum plug in place. Ground the drum. Bring forward the drum full of solvent. Ground the drum using the gun cleaner's grounding cables. Pour half of its contents into the sink. By doing so, half of the solvent drains into the drum on the left. Thereby, both drums are half full. Put the now half-full drum into its outer containment and fit the flame arrestor. Fit the drum plug and tighten the flame arrestor's screw to hold the drum plug in place. Place the 1/4-inch black solvent hose into the drum through the drum plug. Ground the drum. After top-up, close the lid so as not to dry out the sink. The 1055 is now ready for use.